The judge also ordered Mekhi Woolridge Jones to have no contact with his brother, Brandon Woolridge Jones. Prosecutors charged the 18-year-old with accessory to a felony. Investigators and prosecutors argue the pair is responsible for the death of 21-year-old Tre'Quez Swift Saturday. A 22-year-old woman was also hit by gunfire.
KETV News Watch 7's Jose Zozaya is live with more on the case, and we're hearing from the mall owners tonight. Jose?
Alexandra, Rob, that's right. Westroad's parent company tells us their cameras captured what happened, and that helped Omaha police identify the two suspects who we're now seeing in court for the first time.
16-year-old Mekhi Woolridge Jones appears on camera from inside the Douglas County Youth Center. County Attorney Don Klein says prosecutors have enough information to charge him as an adult.
Depending on the nature of the charge itself and kind of a history, that's what goes into whether they should be charged as a juvenile. And certainly he fits the criteria to be charged as an adult.
Gunfire erupted outside the JCPenney at Westroads Mall Saturday. Klein says police's investigation points to a gang-related confrontation. Mekhi Woolridge Jones allegedly got into an argument with 21-year-old Tre'Quez Swift and shot him several times.
There are important witnesses that were there and saw the event take place, but also there's a video that corroborates and they corroborate each other.
Among Woolridge Jones's charges, first-degree murder for killing Swift, 2 counts of using a weapon, and first-degree assault for shooting 22-year-old Jakaya Veland. We also learned part of what his defense may argue in trial.
He has been diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Judge, we would ask for a bond.
Certainly everything leads us to believe that he knew the difference between right and wrong, and he knew what he was doing at the time that he carried this out.
His brother, 18-year-old Brandon Woolridge Jones, faces charges of being an accessory to Swift's murder. Klein says he allegedly drove their getaway car.
Now, in the aftermath of this last shooting and the one where an Omaha police officer was also hurt, Westroad's parent company, Brookfield Properties, sent us this statement saying in part the safety and security of its shoppers, tenants, and employees is their #1 priority, and that they have plans to up security at Westroads. That includes adding a weapon detecting dog and other enhanced security measures. Back to the courtroom, Mekhi Woolridge Jones is being held without bond. Brandon Woolridge Jones' bond was set as $75,000. Again, the judge ordered that they do not talk to each other as the case plays out. Rob.
All right.